So when you grab one of our Embark Squarespace templates, you're going to want to add your site title and logo and possibly change the navigation. So what you'll do is you'll click Edit and you'll see the Edit Site Header come up when you hover over this. Click Edit Site Header. You can click on the site title and logo and click the Edit icon, and then you can add a logo. I'm going to add this for just examples purposes. You can set the logo height, you can set the mobile logo height, and you can add a separate logo for mobile if you'd like. Once you do that, you can check out the navigation here. You can add elements and you can edit the design. So if you want to add elements, you can do a button. So we have a button enabled here. You can turn that on and off. You can add social links. You can add cart. You can add anything that's listed here. And you can also edit your design. So when you edit your design, it's going to be the link spacing. So you can see that's adjusting the links. The element spacing, that would be the space between the button or the cart or the social icons. You can add effects. You can change the height of the the navigation bar, and you can change the layout. And that's going to be, the logo to the left, the navigation on the right, things like that. The logo in the middle, the navigation under the logo. So you can choose your favorite layout there, and you can change the color. If you want a navigation bar that always has the same color block behind it, you can click solid. You can set a gradient there, and you can choose those colors in the editing platform. Or adaptive means it's going to adapt to what you have for your theme. So if you have the light theme, it will be a light background. If you have an image, it will be on top of the image, and you can change that there. You can kind of play around with that and see what looks best. So that's how you edit your site title and your navigation. I'm going to click Save and Exit. And you'll see the logo is going to populate instead of the site title when you add a logo. So always ensure your logo has your business name in it. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And you'll see when I click Save, it's going to just default to the site title. And there we go. So that's how you can edit your navigation bar. You can also check it out on mobile. So click Edit Site Header, and you can view the menu. You can have the icon change. When you view the menu, you'll see how it pops up. You can edit the design here. You can edit the color theme here and have it just fit your brand in the way that you'd like it to look.